Hey there, PV teachers. This is Mr. Fratt from Shea Middle School. I wanted to make a video to show you how to copy scores for a student from one class to another. And the first thing you're going to do is log in. Once you log in, you're going to go to the top right corner and click on the grid and then click on instruction to get into the instruction portion. Then you need to click on Gradebook in the left tab. If you don't have it, click on the three lines in the top left corner and make it appear. And into Gradebook we go. Now, if we want to copy scores, we actually need to click on the Settings and have it pop out, and then the Score Copier, which is the fifth option or the bottom option underneath Gradebook Tools. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to load a list of all of our students in a student summary or the copy score option. We are going to use the copy score option. I'm going to scroll down to a student who I know I can copy some scores for. And I want to make sure I'm copying it from another section that's in the same semester. So right now I'm in semester 1. This other option says S2, so that's semester 2. So I need to go across to copy scores for that student in that section. And when I do that, you'll notice a couple of things. I've got a student syllabus grade that they got 100% on. I can move from one class to another. And it actually automatically populates where that goes in, or at least it should. If I don't have it auto-populating, I can still select the destination assignment. It's going to say, well, which one? And theoretically, you want to pick the same one, the matching one. But I believe as long as you have the assignment named the same thing in both sections and there's no grade filled in, it should figure that out automatically. Now you'll notice that didn't do that for my parent syllabus, and I also can't select that. That is because my parent syllabus already has a score. So the score copier will only work, it will only be able to fill in grades for assignments in the gradebook that are currently blank, that do not have anything marked on them and do not have any numbers associated. It needs to be completely blank. So typically what you're going to want to do is when a student moves sections, you do this step right after they move and you pull everything from the old section into the new section. It's usually just a couple of clicks, and since you won't have anything in the new section, this will automatically know where all of the defaults are and just copy them over. Once I've clicked that, I can click Save, and it will update the grade. And that is all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a good day.